Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to delete everything from the recycle bin. The recycle bin acts as a holding bay for deleted items, such as files and folders, and even shortcuts. When you delete a file or folder, it is not deleted from your computer permanently. Instead, Windows 7 places the deleted items into the recycle bin. People make the common mistake of assuming that the deletion of a certain file is enough to completely delete it from your system. Yes, it does make sense to make that assumption. After all, when you delete a certain file from your computer, you actually transfer it from whatever local directory or folder to your system's recycle bin. And when you empty your recycle bin, you are actually emptying out its contents into oblivion. So, the file must have been deleted in the process, right? Yes, it has been deleted, and you can no longer see the name of the file, or the icon that was previously assigned to the file in any of your local disks, hard drives, or folders. Still, with the help of sophisticated software, hackers can still retrieve that deleted file easily. This is because there are still many references to that deleted file that you can find in your system. Thus, you need to do more than plain deletion. You need to have a recycle bin shredder in your system. The recycle bin shredder does more than plain deletion of the file in question. When you create a file, no matter what type this may be, you actually allot memory space to that file. When you delete the file, its physical existence may be wiped out. However, that memory space previously allotted to it still exists. And until such time that the space would be overridden by another created file, it would still serve as evidence of the previously deleted file. By accessing that space, the deleted file can still be retrieved, to some extent. When particular software programs are used, even the whole deleted file can be retrieved back into existence. It would not make that much difference if the file you deleted is something quite trivial in nature. But what if your system contains a lot of sensitive information? It could be very detrimental for your clients and your company itself if this sensitive information would fall into the wrong hands. And you can never discount the existence of such computers users or hackers because there are indeed a lot of them out there, just waiting for you to make that grave mistake. If you operate a company that handles a lot of sensitive information, then you should consider making the investment of having a recycle bin shredder in your system. This way, your clients and your very own system can be protected from these potential hackers and such. This is how you can do it. Search your computer for recycle bin and once found, click on it. Locate where it's written empty the recycle bin and click on it. It should take a while depending on the amount of files you need to delete or amount of files located in your recycle bin. Now all items that were in your recycle bin are deleted permanently. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.